Dear children, next topic is molecular formula. Okay, molecular formula. We already studied some examples of molecular formula. So, molecular formula denotes that actual number of atoms of different elements present in one molecule of a compound. ഒരു കോമ്പൗണ്ടിന്റെ ഒരു മോളിക്യൂളിൽ അതിന്റെ ആക്ച്വൽ നമ്പർ അതിന്റെ ആ എലമെന്റ്സ് എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ട് അത് തന്നെയാണ് molecular formula എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. empirical formula simplest formula ആണെങ്കിൽ molecular formula is the actual number of atoms of different elements present in one molecule of a compound. Actual number of atoms of different elements, actual number of atoms of different elements present in the one molecule of a compound, that is molecular formula. So molecular formula is equal to, how we can find out molecular formula from the empirical formula? Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. What is the formula of molecular formula? Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Okay, so how we can find out n? N is equal to molecular weight. Okay, molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, empirical formula weight. N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, clear dear children? So MF, that is molecular formula, is equal to N into empirical formula. N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, so we can go to the numerical. Next question. Calculate the empirical formula. Okay, calculate the empirical formula whose molecular formula they given, that is C8H6O4. നമ്മുടെ പെർസെൻറ്റേജ് അല്ല തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്, മോളിക്കുലർ ഫോർമുലയാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ മോളിക്കുലർ ഫോർമുല? C8H6O4 they given. Empirical formula weight is 83. Empirical formula weight is 83. So we need to find out empirical formula. What is the relation between empirical formula and the molecular formula? Okay, what is the relation between empirical formula and molecular formula? We know the equation. Molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. So from this equation, how we can find out the empirical formula? We can rearrange the equation. So empirical formula is equal to, so this n we can change it to that side. This here multiplication, if we move to the that side, that will come to the divided. Okay, so molecular formula divided by n. Okay, clear dear children? Molecular formula divided by n. So this is the final equation. Okay, empirical formula is equal to molecular formula divided by n. So we know only molecular formula, that is they given C8H6O4, but they didn't given that n. We don't know the n. So how we can find out the n? N is equal to molecular weight. Okay, molecular divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. So how we can find out the molecular weight? എങ്ങനെയാണ് molecular weight we can find out? Here molecular formulas they given. How many molecular carbon is there? 8 into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus how many hydrogen? 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus how many oxygen? 4 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. Okay dear children, so 8 into 12 is 96 plus 6 plus 6 into 14, that is equal to 64. Okay, so molecular weight of that compound you will get 166. Okay, so molecular weight നമ്മൾ already പഠിച്ചതാണ്. How we can find out? 8 into 12 plus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 16, so you will get 166. So what is the n is equal to molecular weight 166 divided by empirical formula weight, that is they given 83. So you will get 2. Okay, n is equal to 2. So we can find out empirical formula now. So molecular formula is E8H6O4 divided by 2. So ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ C4. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിനെ ഈ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ H3. ഈ 4നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ so O2. So the empirical formula of that compound is C4H3O2. നമ്മൾ മാത്സിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഇവിടെ ഒരെണ്ണത്തിലല്ല നമ്മൾ ഈ കാർബണിനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ C8 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 2, H6 divided by 2, O4 divided by 2. Okay, so It is the ratio. Okay, so you will get a C4H3O2. Clear, no, dear children? Is it clear? So first molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? N into empirical formula. So then rearrange the equation. So empirical formula is equal to molecular formula divided by N. Okay. N is equal to, we know, molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. എല്ലായ്പ്പോഴും എന്നിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 2 തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, പക്ഷെ ഇങ്ങനെ എംപിരിക്കൽ ഫോർമുല ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് എങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മാർക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ എൻ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മോളിക്കുലാർ വെയിറ്റ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ എംപിരിക്കൽ ഫോർമുല വെയിറ്റ്. മോളിക്കുലാർ വെയിറ്റ് എങ്ങനെ, ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട്? 8. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഹൗ മെനി കാർബൺ? 8 into atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 16. So you will get 166. So n is equal to 166 divided by 83. So you will get 2. Empirical formula. Okay. Empirical formula is molecular formula divided by n. Okay. Molecular formula is C8H6O4 divided by n is 2. So divided. So you will get C4H3O2. Clear now? So we need to find out the molecular formula of the compound. Okay, molecular formula of the compound. We need to find out the K1 for carbon is equal to 40%, hydrogen is equal to 6.7%, then oxygen is equal to 53.3%. So they give one molecular mass also. Molecular mass they give one. What is that value? 60%. So how we can find out the molecular formula? Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. N is equal to empirical formula. We don't know the N and empirical formula. So they give 1% composition. നമുക്ക് percentage composition മാത്രമാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. How we can find out? So previous question, like the previous question, element. First you write a element, then percentage composition, then atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass, then atomic mass ratio. Okay, then simplest ratio. Okay, element, which are the elements they given? Carbon they given, hydrogen and oxygen. Percentage composition 40, then 6.7, then 53.3%. Carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. Atomic mass ratio, what is that? Percentage composition divided by 12. Atomic mass, that is 40 divided by 12. Then 6.7 divided by 1. Here 53.3 divided by 16. So you will get one answer. 40 divided by 12. What is the answer? 3.3. Okay, 3.3. 6.7 divided by 1, that is 6.7. 53.3 divided by 16, that is equal to also 3.3. So which one is the lower value? 3.3. So you will get 3.3. 3.3 divided by 3.3, that is equal to 1. Here 6.7 divided by 3.3 is equal to 2. Then 3.3 divided by 3.3 is equal to 1. Okay, so carbon, hydrogen, oxygen ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1. So carbon, H2, oxygen. So this is the formula of that compound, CH2. Oh, this is the empirical formula. Okay, empirical formula CH2O. So we will get the empirical formula. So we need to find out the molecular N. How we can find out N? N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight they given, that is equal to 60. Okay, then empirical formula weight. How we can find out the empirical formula weight? What is the formula of that compound? Empirical formula? Empirical formula is CH2O. Empirical formula weight. How we can find out? 1 into how many carbon? 1 into atomic mass carbon 12 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. Okay, so 12 plus 2 plus 16. What is the answer? Empirical formula weight. What is the answer? 30. Okay, 30. Okay, dear children. So N is equal to 60 divided by 30. Okay, so you get 2. So N is equal to 2. So molecular formula MF is equal to N, that is 2, into empirical formula CH2O. So this 2 for this carbon, this hydrogen, this oxygen. So C2H4O2. Okay, C2H4O2. Okay, dear children, C2H4O2. This is the molecular formula of that compound. Clear, no? First, empirical formula കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, then empirical formula weight കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, അതിനുശേഷം n കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, എന്നിട്ട് ഇക്വേഷനിലേക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. Okay, dear children, is it clear, no? Dear children, next question. Calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound. Okay, empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound. They given carbon percentage, hydrogen percentage, oxygen percentage. Here they given vapor density. Okay, vapor density. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula, how we can find out? N into empirical formula. Okay, molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Okay, dear children. So, we don't know empirical formula, we don't know N. Okay, what is N? N is equal to, what is N? N is equal to, what is N? Molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, N is equal to molecular weight divided by, what is that? Empirical formula weight. So, we don't know molecular weight. Okay, so molecular weight, they given vapor density. Okay, molecular formula weight in the kanala, another equation is 2 into vapor density. Okay, 2 into vapor density, that is equal to molecular weight. So we can write N is equal to molecular weight 2 into vapor density divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, these are the equations. N is equal to 2 into vapor density divided by empirical formula weight. So first we need to find out empirical formula. How we can find out the empirical formula? M, element. Okay, then percentage composition, then atomic mass. Okay, then atomic mass ratio, then simplest ratio. Okay, these are they given. So carbon is an element, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon 26.59%, then hydrogen 2.22%, oxygen 71.19%. Okay, atomic mass, carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. Atomic mass ratio, that is the ratio of percentage composition of carbon, that is 26.59 divided by 12. Here 2.22 divided by 1, here 71.19 divided by 16. Then you calculate the atomic mass ratio. So you will get a 2.216, here 2.22, here you will get, what is that, 4.45. Okay, which one is the lowest value? Which one is the lowest value? 2. Okay, 2. Then here 1, here 2. So which one is the lowest value? First one. So 2.216 divided by 2.216, here 2.22 divided by 2.216, here 4.45 divided by 2.216. Okay, dear children, so please find out the answer. So you will get 1, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the empirical formula of that compound. Carbon 1. Okay, hydrogen 1, oxygen 2. Okay, what is that? The CHO2. This is the empirical formula. So, നമുക്ക് empirical formula നമുക്ക് കിട്ടി. Okay, empirical formula നമുക്ക് കിട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞു. So, next, what is that? We need to find out what? Molecular formula. Okay, I hope you will clear this one. So, the empirical formula of that compound is CHO2. Okay, the empirical formula of compound is CHO2. Then what is the next step? Empirical molecular weight. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. N we don't know. Okay, N is equal to molecular weight. N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Okay, molecular weight they given what is that vapor density. So 2 into vapor density that is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. Empirical formula weight. Okay, empirical formula weight, how many carbon? 1 carbon, so 1 into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus how many hydrogen? 1 hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus how many oxygen? 2 oxygen, 2 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 12 in plus 1 plus 32. So you will, what is that? 45. Okay, 45. So this is empirical formula weight. So you can apply it in that equation. So 2 into 45. Okay, vapor density is 45 divided by empirical formula weight, that is 45. So 45, 45 cancel. So n is equal to 2. Okay, n is equal to 2. Then molecular formula. How we can find that molecular formula? N into empirical formula. So n is equal to 2 into empirical formula CHO2. So what is the answer? C2H2O4. This 2 here, this here. Okay, so C2H2O4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are here 2. So the molecular formula of that compound is C2H2O4. Okay, dear children. Next question, please you do it. That is a homework, dear children. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt is there, you can send the message to me. Okay, dear children. Take care. Bye. See you.